Okay, this is all about supply and demand curves. Um, and it's kind of real world examples, supposedly. So, explain each of the following statements using supply and demand diagrams. When a cold snap hits Florida, the price of orange juice rises in supermarkets. So, the key things to remember here is first of all, think about what's going on here. Is it affecting my supply? Or is it affecting my consumer demand? And the other thing to remember is positive changes or increases will shift my supply and demand curve to the right. Negative changes or decreases will shift my demand or supply curve to the left. So let's think about this first one, which is this example right here. When a cold snap hits Florida, well, the cold snap's going to impact my supply. It's not going to change the demand for orange juice. The cold snap's going to affect the producers of oranges, so my supply curve is going to shift. Now, the next question is which way is my supply curve going to shift? Is this a positive or a negative thing? Is this going to decrease supply or increase supply? Well, a cold snap's going to decrease the supply. So you can see here I shifted my supply curve from the original point over here to the left. And what this is going to do is going to change my equilibrium from here, which is a price over here, to up here. So the prices of oranges is both going to increase and the quantity is going to decrease, which makes sense, right? If I'm going to have fewer oranges and the price of those orange juice is going to go up. Okay, let's look at the second one, which is this one right here. When the weather turns warm in New England every summer, the price of hotel rooms in Caribbean resorts plummets. Well, we're dealing with the demand for Caribbean resorts, right? Because when it's nice in New England, right, the demand to go to the Caribbean is going to decrease. So we've taken the demand curve and shifted it to the left. And so you can see the price goes from the original equilibrium point down, so much lower price and again, lower quantity. Okay, third one, a war breaks out in the Middle East. The price of gasoline rises and the price of used Cadillacs falls. Well, the first shift is the price of gasoline. So a war breaks out in the Middle East, so my supply of oil goes down or shifts to the left. That's going to drive my price up. And then the demand for Cadillacs is going to fall because Cadillacs consume a ton of gasoline. So that'll shift my demand curve to the left. So, hope this helps. Have a good day.